Hello everyone, I'm Zheng. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to learn Chinese from scratch. 如何从零开始学中文。First of all, you need a strong basic foundation to study Chinese, which is pinyin. Pinyin, it is the romanization of the Chinese characters. With pinyin, we can learn how to pronounce the Chinese characters in Roman letters. So, pinyin is made of three parts: the initials, finals, and tones. For example, this Chinese character 我 means I or me, and its pinyin is 我. Here, this W is its initial, and this O is its final, and here is its tone. So this pinyin 我 is made of those three parts, and I will introduce pinyin in details in my later videos. Next, learn some common used Chinese. In Mandarin Chinese, there are in total about 2,500 common used Chinese characters. If you learn 10 characters a day, it will take you a little more than 8 months' time to grasp all the characters. So it's not that bad, right? Also, it's important to learn some basic vocabulary and phrases like greetings, how to introduce yourself, the weather, the days, etc. For example, this guy John here, he says, 你好，我的名字叫约翰，很高兴认识你。Hello, my name is John. It's very nice to meet you. And here are some free apps for Chinese study that can help you to improve as well. I listed some free apps below you may want to try. And you can also find interesting ways to learn Chinese. For example, watching movies and listening to Chinese songs. Movie script and song lyrics are really helpful for you to learn Chinese and Chinese culture. Last but not least, feel your surroundings in Chinese. You may set the language of your phone, laptop, and or use social media in Chinese. It will give you a sense of urgency to stimulate your brain more. And it is better that you can bond with native speakers. The most important thing is practice a lot, find your language sense. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe below. Thanks again.